Good morning to all of you. We are going to start the new chapter electrochemistry. We have completed chapter 2 solution. Now we will discuss about the electrochemistry. Electrical energy plays an important role in many chemical reactions. Okay, the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy and interconversion of one form of energy into another is called electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is very vast and interdisciplinary branch of chemistry which finds tremendous application. Its study is very important as it helps in development of new technologies which are economically and environment friendly. In this unit, we shall focus on the study of some aspects of electrochemical cell, batteries, fuel cell, electrolytic cell, conductance and its measurement. We see the importance of electrochemistry. Production of metal like Na, Mg, Ca. Second, electroplating. Third, purification of metal. Fourth, batteries and cell used in various instruments. Now we see the some terms which are used in this chapter. Metallic and electrolytic conductance. All substances do not conduct electrical current. The substances which allow the passage of electric current are called conductor. The base conductor are metals such as copper, silver, tin, etc. On the other hand, the substances which do not allow the passage of electric current through them are called non-conductor or insulator. Example: rubber, glass, ceramic, wood, wax, etc. The conductors are broadly classified into two types. First one will be metallic conductor. They are also known as electronic conductor, and second will be electrolytes or electrolytic conductor. Metallic conductor, these are the metallic substances which allow the electricity to pass through them without undergoing any chemical change. Metals and their alloys have very large conductivity and are called conductor. Example: copper, silver, etc. The flow of electric current through metallic conductor is due to the flow of electron in the metal atom. And the electronic conductance depends upon some factor: the nature and structure of the metal, the number of valence electron per atom, third the density of metal, and fourth one will be temperature. Now we see about the electrolytes. These are the substances which allow the electricity to pass through them in their molten state or in the form of their aqueous solution, undergo chemical decomposition. Aqueous solution means if any electrolyte is mixed with water, then aqueous solution is prepared. In this type of conduction, charge is carried by ion and therefore it is called ionic conductance. And electrolytes are two types. That will be a strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. The electrolyte that completely dissociate or ionize into ions are called strong electrolytes. Example: HCl, NaOH, K2SO4. Second, weak electrolyte. The electrolyte that dissociate partially are called weak electrolyte. Example: acetic acid, CH3COOH, carbonic acid, H2CO3, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will discuss about the factors affecting electrical conductivity or electrolytic solution. Okay, thank you.